How to start a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of building a successful YouTube channel from the ground up, you're in the right place. In 2025, YouTube is more powerful than ever, with over 2.7 billion users worldwide and nearly 491 million viewers in India alone. Whether you want to share your passion, teach, entertain, or build a business, YouTube offers endless possibilities. Today, we'll walk you through every step, from finding your niche and creating your first video to growth strategies, business opportunities, and the best tools for Indian creators. If you find these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more practical guides on digital success. Section 1. Why YouTube? The opportunity in 2025. YouTube is the world's largest video platform, with 2.7 billion users globally and 491 million in India, the largest audience anywhere. India's top channels, like T-Series with 284 million subscribers, show the massive potential for creators. YouTube is not just for entertainment. It's a platform for learning, business, and global influence. Key 2025 stats. Metric value. Global YouTube users 2.7 billion. Indian YouTube users 491 million. Daily video uploads 2.4 million. Average. Video length 12 minutes 26 seconds. Most subscribed Indian channel T-Series 284 million. Section 2. Laying the foundation, planning your channel. 1. Define your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. Popular niches in India include tech, education, entertainment, vlogs, and finance. Study top Indian channels for inspiration, but focus on what makes your perspective unique. 2. Identify your audience. Who are you making videos for? Age, interests, language, and location matter. For example, a Hindi tech channel can reach millions more viewers than an English-only one in India. 3. Set clear goals. Do you want to educate, entertain, inspire, or build a business? Set measurable targets. Example, 1,000 subscribers in 6 months, 4,000 watch hours for monetization. Section 3. Getting started tools and resources. You don't need expensive equipment to start. Here's what you need. Tool Resource Purpose Budget, INR. Smartphone filming videos 10,000 to 30,000. Basic microphone clear audio 500 to 2,000. Ring light good lighting 800 to 2,500. Free editing apps video editing, VN. In short, free. Canva thumbnails, channel art free paid, 499 rupees per monthly. TubeBuddy vidIQ SEO, keyword research free paid, 750 rupees per monthly. Tip. Start simple. Upgrade your gear as your channel grows. Section 4. Creating your first videos. 1. Script and plan your content. Write a simple script or outline for each video. Keep your intros short and get to the point quickly. 2. Fill with what you have. Use your smartphone in good natural light. Record in a quiet space for better audio. 3. Edit for engagement. Use free apps to trim dead air, add music, and insert captions. Create eye-catching thumbnails using Canva. 4. Optimize metadata. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags. Example, How to start a YouTube channel in India, 2025. Step-by-step guide. Section 5. Growth strategies for 2025. 1. Consistency is key. Upload regularly, once or twice a week is ideal. Use a content calendar to plan ahead. 2. Focus on audience engagement. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage like shares. Use community posts and polls to interact with your viewers. 3. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Shorts are a fast way to reach new viewers. They now make up 20% of all videos on YouTube. Post quick tips, behind the scenes, or trending topics. 4. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborations help you tap into new audiences. Start with creators in your niche even if they have a similar or smaller following. 5. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to see what's working, watch time, retention, popular videos. Double down on content that performs well. Section 6. Example, growth journey of an Indian creator. Let's look at Learn Withman, who started his educational channel in January 2024. Month subscribers, views, key strategy, revenue, INR. Jan 00 launched channel 0. Mar 512,000 consistent uploads 1,000. June 2000 70,000 used shorts, SEO 6,000. September 10,000 4 lakhs collab, playlists 35,000. DEC 25,000 12 lakhs live streams, engagement 1 lakh 10,000. Key takeaways. Consistency and shorts accelerated early growth. Collaborations and playlists boosted watch time. Monetization started after 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Section 7. Monetization, turning views into income. Main revenue streams. Source potential earnings, INR. AdSense 50 rupees to 200 rupees per 1,000 views. Sponsorships 5,000 rupees to 2 lakhs rupees per video. Affiliate marketing 2,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month. Digital products unlimited, courses, ebooks, etc. Example, at 1 lakh monthly views, you can earn 8,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees from ads alone. Tips for maximizing revenue. Create longer videos for more ad placements. Diversify with affiliate links and your own products. Build a loyal community for brand deals. Section 8. Business growth. Scaling your channel. 1. Treat your channel like a business. Register your brand, create a logo, and set up a professional email. Track expenses and revenue for tax purposes. 2. Expand your content. Launch a second channel or podcast. Offer paid courses, workshops, or consultations. 3. Build partnerships. Collaborate with brands and other creators. Attend YouTube events and workshops. 4. Outsource as you grow. Hire editors, designers, or managers to save time and scale faster. Section 9. Essential tools for Indian YouTubers. Tool purpose pricing, INR. TubeBuddy SEO, keyword research free paid, 750 rupees per monthly. vidIQ Analytics, competitor tracking free paid, 800 rupees per monthly. Canva Thumbnails, channel art free paid, 499 rupees per monthly. InShot VN video editing free. Social Champ social media scheduling free paid. YouTube Studio Analytics, management free. Section 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Waiting for perfect equipment. Start with what you have. Ignoring analytics, data is your best friend. Focusing only on subscribers, watch time, and engagement matter more. Copying others. Find your unique voice. Section 11. Quick tips for 2025. Mobile first. Over 90% of views in India are on mobile devices. 6. Localization. Use Hindi or regional languages to reach wider audiences. Shorts. Use shorts to go viral and attract new subscribers. Community. Build a loyal community, not just a big audience. Ending and call to action. YouTube in 2025 is bigger and more accessible than ever, especially in India. With the right strategy, consistency, and passion, anyone can build a successful channel from scratch. Start simple, focus on your audience, and keep learning as you grow. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe now to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who want to start their own YouTube journey. Drop your questions or channel ideas in the comments. We'd love to help you succeed. Stay tuned for more deep dives, strategies, and real-life success stories to help you thrive as a creator in India. Subscribe now. Your YouTube journey starts today.